Today, I'm going to teach you how to add days to a date in Smartsheet. This is incredibly useful when you're managing project timelines, tracking deadlines, or calculating future dates based on a starting point. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your homepage where you can see all your available files and sheets. Now, choose the file you want to edit. Simply click on it to open the sheet where you'll be working. This will take you directly into the editing interface where you can make changes to your columns and data. Before we can add days to a date, we need to set up the proper columns. Let's start by creating a column for our original date. Click on the column header to add a new column and name it Date 1. This is crucial because we need to specify the column type correctly. Make sure you set the column type to Date from the drop-down menu. This ensures Smartsheet recognizes the data as dates rather than text. Next, we'll create a second column where the calculated date will appear. Add another column and name it Date 2. Again, set the column type to Date. This second column will automatically calculate and display the new date after adding the specified number of days. Now that your columns are set up, go ahead and input a sample date in the Date 1 column. This will be your starting point, the date from which you'll be adding days. You can enter any date that's relevant to your project or timeline. Here's where the magic happens. Click on a cell in the Date 2 column right next to where you entered your sample date. This is where you'll type the formula that adds days to your original date. The formula you'll use is equals Date 1 plus 20. In this formula, 20 inches represents the number of days you want to add to the original date. You can change this number to whatever fits your needs, whether it's 5 days, 30 days, or even 100 days. Once you've entered the formula, press Enter and Smartsheet will automatically calculate the new date. The beauty of this setup is that you can copy this formula down to other rows and it will adjust accordingly for each date in your Date 1 column. And there you have it, you've successfully set up a system to add days to dates in Smartsheet. This simple formula can save you tons of time when planning projects or tracking deliverables. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.